Hello everyone, welcome back to Better Homes Designs, the place where we turn architectural dreams into reality. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. If you've been dreaming of extra space, whether it's for a home office, a cozy retreat for your parents, or a stylish rental unit, today's video is for you. We are diving deep into the world of prefab guest houses. These aren't just sheds anymore. They are architectural masterpieces that can be delivered right to your lawn. When we talk about prefab guest house design, we are referring to prefabricated structures. This means the house or the majority of its components is built off-site in a climate-controlled factory setting. Once the pieces are ready, they are transported to your property and assembled on a foundation. Unlike traditional stick-built homes where every beam is cut on your grass over many months, prefab design focuses on precision, efficiency, and modularity. It is a modern approach to expansion that treats home building with the same technological accuracy as high-end manufacturing. The benefits of choosing a prefab guest house are truly transformative for any homeowner. First and foremost is the incredible speed of construction. Because the structure is built in a factory, you don't have to worry about weather delays, and the on-site mess is minimized to just a few days of assembly. Beyond speed, prefab homes are often more sustainable and cost-effective. Factories produce less waste than traditional construction sites, and the tight seals required for transport often result in superior energy efficiency. Additionally, because these designs are engineered to be moved, they are incredibly durable and meet strict building codes, offering a high-quality living space that significantly boosts your property value without the year-long headache of a standard renovation. To make a prefab guest house truly feel like a part of your home, you need to focus on seamless exterior decoration. Start by integrating the structure into your landscape using anchor plants like ornamental grasses or shrubs around the base to soften the transition between the ground and the building. Adding a wooden deck or a stone pathway connecting the main house to the guest house creates a visual bridge that makes the addition feel intentional. Don't forget lighting. Installing warm LED sconces or recessed path lights can highlight the architectural lines of the prefab at night, giving it a resort-like feel. Choosing a color palette that either perfectly matches your main home or offers a bold, modern contrast like matte black against a lush green forest will ensure your guest house looks like a boutique getaway rather than a temporary structure. The beauty of modern prefab design is the sheer variety of styles available to suit any taste. For those who love a clean look, the minimalist, modern style with floor-to-ceiling glass and flat roofs is a top choice, as it blurs the line between indoors and out. Do you prefer something cozier, the modern farmhouse, or Nordic cabin style? Utilizes vertical wood siding and gabled roofs to create a timeless, warm aesthetic. For more rugged environments, the industrial modular look, featuring corrugated metal and exposed steel frames, offers a chic, indestructible vibe. Whether you want a glass box in the woods or a mini cottage in the garden, there is a prefab style that can be tailored to reflect your personal brand of luxury now. Let's look at the top 10 best prefab guest house design ideas that perfectly illustrate these concepts, inspired by the incredible designs ideas. 1. The modern floating porch pavilion. This stunning design features a sleek white rectangular frame that creates a shadow box effect. The interior is divided between a warm, light wood paneled lounge area with a built-in hanging swing and a functional kitchenette visible through sliding glass doors. It's the perfect blend of relaxation and utility, making it an ideal backyard retreat. 2. The asymmetrical Nordic cabin, a masterpiece of geometric design. This cabin uses an exaggerated slanted roofline to create a dramatic covered porch. The natural wood finish glows against the autumn forest backdrop, while the large glass front captures the reflection of the sunset. It's a cozy, high-design shelter that feels both rustic and incredibly sophisticated. 3. The vertical timber farmhouse. This design takes a traditional gabled silhouette and modernizes it with light-toned vertical timber cladding. The gray corrugated metal roof provides a sturdy industrial contrast, while the skylights and large windows ensure the interior is flooded with natural light despite the compact footprint. It's a perfect example of Scandi chic for a guest. 4. The Twin Peak Coastal Retreat. Featuring a unique double gable design, this prefab guest house separates living and sleeping quarters into two distinct wings, connected by a central glass entryway. The dark gray siding and stone-paved path give it a grounded, permanent feel, while the massive glass facades offer a panoramic view of the surrounding greenery and distant coastline. 5. The illuminated glass cube. This ultra-modern prefab uses a concrete-style exterior shell to house a glowing, two-story interior. The massive glass front acts as a literal window into a luxury lifestyle, showcasing a lofted sleeping area and a sleek kitchen. It's a bold architectural statement that works beautifully as a high-end studio or a DU accessory dwelling unit. 6. The Desert Industrial Lookout. Built for rugged terrain, this long horizontal prefab uses corrugated metal siding and a wide-brimmed flat roof to provide shade. The elevated metal deck allows for outdoor lounging among the rocks, while the floor-to-ceiling sliding doors transform the entire house into an open-air pavilion. It is the gold standard for desert or mountain living. 7. The Enchanted Woodland A-Frame. Nestled deep in the forest, this design features a massive glass A-frame facade that allows the interior wood-paneled walls to glow like a lantern at night. The integrated wood stove and minimalist furniture inside make it the ultimate off-grid luxury experience, proving that prefab can be incredibly soulful and connected to nature. 8. The Contemporary Suburban Studio. This flat-roof design is perfect for a backyard garden. A combination of warm wood slats and a black metal frame creates a high-contrast professional look. With its built-in exterior bench and wide-opening glass doors, it serves perfectly as a home office during the day and a comfortable guest suite by night. 9. The Minimalist Horizontal Suite. Simplicity at its finest. This long rectangular unit uses uniform light wood siding to create a clean, rhythmic look. The design is split into two distinct rooms, each with its own floor-to-ceiling glass door, making it an excellent option for a multi-purpose space like a GM and Dofus combo or a two-bedroom guest house. 10. The Dark-Acre Gabled Cottage. This design plays with contrast by pairing light wood vertical siding with a bold, black-stained wood wing. The dark wraparound deck provides a massive amount of outdoor living space, while the traditional roof shape ensures it feels like a real home. It's an inviting, stylish option for those who want a guest house with a bit of traditional charm. Choosing a prefab guest house is more than just adding a room. It's about reimagining how you use your land. From the speed of installation to the breathtaking modern aesthetics we've seen today, these structures offer a way to expand your lifestyle without the traditional stress of building from scratch. Whether you go for the glass-walled modern look or the cozy timber cabin, Your new guest house is sure to be the envy of the neighborhood. If you found these designs inspiring, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Better Homes Designs. For more incredible home and outdoor living inspiration, which of our top 10 designs was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear which one you'd want in your backyard. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching.